This is our stat video too about the gay Rockets that we played on Saturday. They don't know how to play. Okay. Here you go. We'll demonstrate. Number 2 was going in for the layup, and I come up to swipe him, and he shoves me into the bench and then lays it up. And he made it. And I was like, really, ref? And then right after that, they come in, and he's sitting there moving on defense, and I go, blah, blah, blah. And the ref tries to give me technical. I go, okay. And I go, I'm playing offense. Thanks. The Rockets guy, number 3, who likes peanuts, I guess, he told me that, salty peanuts. And inserted number 25. They came up and they go, boom, boom, boom. And I go, did you see that, ref? He goes, yeah, I saw it. Anything else, ref? No. Okay.
We gotta leave, so that's the end of stat video number 2.
Oh, you got the rebound. No, you can't have the rebound.
Oh, yeah.
Bye.